Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of cat and also some facts about cats. Yeah, let's go. Before that, just hit the subscribe button to our channel for get more videos like this. Yeah, now we go. Number 1. Cat is a domestic mammal. Number 2. Cats are nearsighted, but their night vision is much better than that of humans. Number 3. Cats can jump up to 6 times their length. Number 4. Cats have 230 bones. That's more than of human. Number 5. Cats have whiskers on the backs of their front legs as well. Number 6. Cats have the largest eyes related to their head size of any mammals. Number 7. Cats use their long tails to balance themselves when they are jumping or walking along narrow ledges. Number 8. Cats use their whiskers to feel the world around them. Number 9. Cats walk like camels and giraffes. Number 10. Male cats are more likely to be left paw, while females are to be right paw. Thanks to watch kitties. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of cat and also facts about cats. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more drawings with some informations. Thank you. Bye bye.